this update is only going to be about the rooftop plants, and the footages were recorded on March 29th, 2021. The grape has not been doing too much. I think it might be dead, so I'm gonna break the stem to see if it's alive inside. And seems like it's still green, so the plant is still alive. And now if I check the nodes, and yes, it has started sending out this buds. I think it just took a while for it to go out of dormancy, so that's good. And the asparagus, seems like there's a new sprout forming right here, this purple looking one. That's the second sprout of this year. And here's the saffron. You can see the leaves have started turning yellow. And the rhubarb is looking very healthy. And you can see right here, it's sending out this flower spike. Not sure if these other ones are also going to be flowers. But yeah, that's the rhubarb flower. Some grape hyacinth. And the mulberry. Let's see if the buds are, yeah, I think the buds are definitely getting bigger every week. It's turning more yellow, probably eventually going to turn green. Here's the green onion. The flowers have gotten a lot taller. They have not opened yet. Rosemary, still flowering, as you can see. Right here's more flower buds forming. And here's some more flower buds. As for the raspberry, that tiny sprout disappeared. But right here you can see the buds from the old cane is definitely growing now. And for the blueberry, the buds are getting bigger too every week. And now you can clearly see the structure of the flowers if the camera will focus. Yeah, right there, if you look closely, you can sort of see the structures of the flowers. And nothing from ginger yet. The dahlia, it's pretty much gone again. Same as calla lily, you can see all the sprouts are dead. I think I probably put them out a bit too early. Here's the daffodil. You can see here's another new flower that I can cut for indoor. Here's the rosemary. It looks about the same as last week, just a bunch of new growth and flowers everywhere on the plants. As for the lavender, I think it has started to grow a lot faster now. You can see all these new growth on this stem. Here's a bunch more new growth. Here's the crocus. All the flowers are gone now. Snowdrop looks the same. Grape hyacinth, a bunch more flowers coming out. I can also cut these for indoor. They look so nice. Over here is the other variety. It's the latifolium. You can see the flowers are also opening up. I could cut these for indoor as well. And side-by-side comparison of this latifolium variety and the other one, you can definitely see the difference in flower color. Here's the peony. You can see the leaves have opened and it's starting to grow very rapidly. Here's the tulip. And here's the glory of the snow. It's is all leaves. I'm not seeing any flowers just yet. Here's the Persian pearl tulip. And you can see the flowers are gonna open very soon. And there's gonna be a lot of flowers too. And here's the summer snowflakes. This one, you can see the flower pod has already opened. And this is another one with a bunch of flower pods, like this one over here. It's not opened yet. And here's another one. And I think there's a few more in this pot. Here's another one. There should be a few more. And I've moved the hyacinth downstairs for display. You can see all the flowers have opened. I also moved the striped squill downstairs for display. And a lot more flowers have opened since then as well.